Hey everyone, welcome back. Most people think Tinder is useless without paying, but that is not true. In 2026, you can still use Tinder for free and get matches if you use it in the right way. First, go ahead and complete your profile properly. Add at least 3 clear photos with good lighting and a natural look, avoiding blurry selfies or group photos as your first picture. Then, go ahead and in the second one, write a short and simple bio. After that, one or two lines that show personality works better than long descriptions. Next, use Tinder at the right time. Swipe during peak hours, usually in the evening between 7 p.m. and 10 p.m. This increases visibility. Then, limit your swipes. Do not swipe right on everyone. Tinder's algorithm rewards selective swiping. Then, finally, refresh your profile instead of paying. Change one photo or edit your bio slightly every few days or to boost your profile for free. Using Tinder smartly beats paying for subscription every time, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.